Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how your electronic devices work? Well, today we're going to explore one of the most essential electronic components, the capacitor. A capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy and releases it when needed. It's like a rechargeable battery, but instead of producing a steady stream of electricity, it stores and releases it in bursts. Imagine you're taking a flash photograph. You need your camera to produce a huge burst of light in a fraction of a second. A capacitor attached to the flashbulb charges up for a few seconds using energy from your camera's batteries. Once the capacitor is fully charged, it can release all that energy in an instant through the flashbulb. Capacitors come in all shapes and sizes and are used in a wide range of electronic devices, from simple calculators to complex computer systems. Selecting the right capacitor for your project is crucial for its proper functioning. You'll need to consider factors such as the capacitance value, the voltage rating, and the type of capacitor, such as ceramic, electrolytic, or tantalum. To give you a better understanding, let's build a simple circuit using a capacitor. All you'll need is a 9-volt battery, a capacitor, and an LED. First, take the 9V battery and connect the positive terminal to one leg of the LED. Then, take the capacitor and connect one end to the same leg of the LED. Next, connect the other end of the capacitor to the negative terminal of the battery. Finally, connect the remaining leg of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. When turned on, the capacitor charges and gradually allow more current to flow through the LED until it reaches maximum brightness. Once fully charged, the LED turns off and the capacitor discharges, causing the LED to light up again for a brief moment before the cycle repeats. That's it for today's video on capacitors. I hope you found this information useful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. And as always, thank you for watching.